Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is an informational video and not any marketing or advertising video for someone else. Just a disclaimer before we jump on to our topic. So, as of today, if somebody does not know the word crypto, then they must be definitely an alien living in the wrong planet. 10 years back, only engineering students might know what is crypto and how it works. Well, actually, if they have studied well, then we would have had a revolution in crypto well ahead than other countries. That's a different topic. Let's not deviate from here. Now, the buzz is crypto. And ever since the Indian government started talking about banning the crypto, it has literally become an advertising for the crypto that worked seriously and had even reached a larger audience in our country. Everybody wanted to know about what is crypto and start investing in it. But how and where is the question right now. So now let's jump onto the topic right away without wasting our time. Oh. I hear someone's mind literally bashing me that I've already wasted that time. That's okay, I'm open to critics and comment section is always open if you wanted to post something there. Cryptocurrency exchanges are unlike the regular trading exchanges and they operate 24/7 and on all days. Here, I'm going to use WazirX App for illustration on opening an account and trading your first crypto coin. WazirX is one of the legal platforms for crypto and there are many such platforms if you want to try out. But as a new trader, I would suggest better be here. Again, I am not recommending WazirX here, just to remind you. So for this demo, I am going to use the mobile app as it is being widely used and also easy to access at any place. The part 1 of this video is pretty simple. It is downloading and installing the app. Okay, some of the illustrations are like baby steps here because I wanted to explain it a bit clearly that even a layman who does not know about crypto can also easily invest in crypto using this video. If you are an Android user, just go to the Play Store and search for the WazirX app. This is the original version of the WazirX app from the Zanmai Labs. Click on the install button and the app will be downloaded into your phone. If you're an iPhone user, then all these steps are similar except that you'll be downloading it from your app store. Once it is downloaded, open the app now and by default you will see the dashboard. Our next step is going to be login or sign up. If you already have an account, just log in using your existing credential, your email ID and password. Or if you are a new user, just sign up using the link provided at the bottom. During sign up, you will have to provide your official email ID and set a password. If you have a referral code from your friends or family, then enter it in this box. Even I have provided my referral link in the description of this video. If you wanted to use that, most welcome. Referral code is an optional one, and between, I'm not going to get huge amount out of it. Just a small part of the transaction fee that WazirX charging you will be credited to my account. Also, I would suggest you to read out all the terms of services provided in this link before you agree to it. There are a lot of information in this page and you will see once you scroll down. Just read it out at least once before you could start investing. I have now filled up all the required information and then finally clicking on the sign up button. Now you will be getting a verification email. Just go to your email that you are given here for registration and click on the verify email button. On the next screen, you will see a success message for account verification. Next step is to set a security option for your account. You can either skip this step and add additional security if needed later, but it is highly recommended to set a 2FA using the Authenticator app. Just install the Authenticator app from Play Store and link them using the self-explanatory process provided here. Once it is set, then every time you log in or re-log in, you will have to authenticate using the 6-digit code generated from the Authenticator app. After you click on the next button, the login is validated securely, and then it will take us to one step closer to the account verification and validation. Our next section is an important step for managing the account. It is KYC, Know Your Customer. You can clearly see from here the benefits of verifying your KYC. If you want to trade using INR and to withdraw the funds from your account, you need to mandatorily complete this process after you have successfully verified. You can also continue without KYC, but you will not be able to withdraw any funds from your profit and it needs to stay back in your account. There are two KYC possibles. So for this, first select the type of KYC as personal and click on the Complete KYC button. In the next screen, fill in your full name, date of birth, and your complete address, including the PIN code that you are living currently. PAN card is mandatory for all Indian customers for tracking their money, and you will need to enter the PAN card number and scan the document and upload it here. Take a picture of the PAN card directly by opening your mobile camera. And for additional address proof, there is an option provided here that is also a mandatory option. You can select any of the listed options here to scan and upload. You have passport, Aadhaar, and driving license as option. Final step is to upload your selfie from your mobile camera. Make sure to follow all the tips mentioned in the next page. There are mandatory steps that you need to follow, like you should not be wearing any specs and you should not be wearing any hat. And once you provide all the details and click on the submit for verification, it will take some time for a KYC to be verified, probably a day. And once it is verified, you are fully ready for the transactions legally. And we also have seen about submitting a business KYC. If you're going to invest it from your business fund, the information required for business KYC is different than the one which we saw now, that is a personal KYC. So now let's log in and explore some basic features of the app. Once you log in with your credentials, first screen that shows up is an exchange dashboard with your favorite list of coins. You can customize the screen by choosing your favorite coin from the exchanges. Once you select them, it is automatically added to the favorite screen. You can select any number of coins as your favorites. Basically, the app is designed in a tab structure, both at the top of the app as well as at the bottom of the app. At the top, you will see different exchanges available for crypto like INR, USDT, WRX, that is the WazirX exchange, BTC, this BTC Bitcoin exchange, and rate for each of the exchanges differs. You can check out for a single coin to see the differences. For this demo purpose, we will stick only to the INR exchange as we will be dealing only in the rupees. Bottom tab has the quick buy option for most popular coins. Exchange tab with a list of all the exchanges that we discussed earlier. And the order tab contains the history of all the open orders and the closed orders that we have placed for buying and selling. Just refresh to get the latest data. And finally, the funds tab shows us how much fund we have in our wallet and how much is utilized to buy the coins. It also shows us the list of coins we secured with the amount and the number of coins. At the top left of the app, you have settings options, and most of the options are for the account customization. Section 3 of our video is how to deposit and withdraw funds in the crypto account. Once your KYC is verified and approved, you are now ready to transact. But before you can do that, you need to load the money in your crypto account to purchase some coins. And for that, first you need to add your bank account. Multiple banks for adding funds and withdrawal is allowed. And once you withdraw any funds from your crypto account, then the money will be credited to this bank account that we will be adding now. Click on the Add New Payment option link and enter all the necessary details required for fund transfer, like the account number, the IFSC code, and the account type, like is it a savings or a current account. Once you complete all the details and click on Submit, it will take some time for verification and approval from WazirX side. You do not have to wait to buy the coins until it is approved. You can start the next process right away, as this is mandatory only during withdrawal process. Secondly, we will explore options for adding funds into your crypto account. So here, adding funds can be done either through your internet banking or the UPI option. But for net banking add-in, there is a catch here that all the banks are not supported for loading money into your crypto account. Please note that. Only some banks will be accepted here for loading funds. And check out if your bank is here in the supported banks list. Don't worry if your bank is not here in this list. We have an alternate option for loading funds. It's the UPI option. You can use the UPI option for loading funds into the crypto account if your bank is not supported or if your bank account is in progress for verification. Only WazirX wallet is supported here for loading the funds. First, you will have to load the funds in your WazirX account using your internet banking or debit card option, and then use that fund to load it into your crypto account. Enter a desired amount for loading. Here for testing purposes I am loading a minimal amount. Once you click on the wallet, you can look at the fees details for this transaction. It takes some time to show up the funds in your account, especially if I have experienced slower time when I load some funds in the night. If you have linked to your WazirX wallet, then it will ask for an official login using your mobile number. After entering your mobile number and clicking on the Send OTP button, an OTP confirmation message will be sent to your mobile. And once you enter your current OTP, the account will be logged in. Oops, I have entered a wrong OTP. So I'm just entering it again, and it will ask for a final confirmation for the payment once you submit. And clicking on the Pay Now button will complete your transaction and load your funds successfully into your crypto wallet. You can see the amount that you have loaded recently getting added up in the Funds tab once the transaction is fully completed. Now go to your Funds tab from here and you will see that the funds have been loaded successfully. Yes. So the next step is to withdraw your money from crypto account after you get some profits. So it is the ultimate goal that once we get some profit, we have to withdraw and we can utilize it for some other purpose. This can be done by clicking on the withdrawal button here, and then you will get a couple of options with the transaction limit and fees. Instant withdrawal and net withdrawal are the two options supported here. Choose the right one based on the amount that you will need to withdraw and enter your amount and remarks in this page. Note that the remarks field is a mandatory field and will fill out the reason for the withdrawal in this field. I'm just filling out a test message. And finally, clicking on the withdraw button will get you the funds. And that's it. Once you hit on confirm, the money will be in your bank account. Section 4 of our video is how to buy and sell the coins. So, once you have loaded your funds in the crypto account, you are now ready to buy the coin. Just browse through the available coins, and before investing, thoroughly read about the coins' white paper and research them fully. You can also get help from your family or friends on suggestions to buy coin, but it's always recommended and safe before you do research by yourself, because it's your hard-earned money and you can't blame anyone. Once you decide on the coin, just select the coin that you want to buy, and then you can see this chart view that you can go through the past months and year performances. Now, click on the middle button, Buy and Sell, which pops out a small window at the bottom with options to buy and sell the crypto coin. Select the number of coins you would like to purchase or the amount that you would like to invest, and in either case, the other value will populate automatically for you. Please check the current price before checking on the Buy button, as there are chances for it to change within microseconds. Click on the Buy button and then slide to Confirm button. Once you buy at the current price, the order is executed right away and coin is bought successfully. You can check in My Orders tab for details on the coin. This is the coin we purchased now, and here are the order details. You will get this order confirmation page once the transaction is in completed status. The status can be checked in the My Orders tab under the history of all the orders. So this is the first transaction that we just completed. Sell is also a similar steps, and you will have to select the quantity to sell. Just select the coin that you wanted to sell, and as I said, you will have to enter in your amount, either the amount or the total number of coins that you wanted to sell. Please note that for both buy and sell, there is a slight transaction fee involved. Your funds will be automatically updated based on your buy and sell transaction, and the coin which you bought recently will be added to your wallet list that you can see it from the list of coins that you are holding in your wallet here. And finally, you are now a successful crypto investor. Just check for the regular progress of your portfolio and try to learn concepts of crypto. As I said earlier that do your research before investing, I'm also planning to research on each of the popular coin and to release a video bi-weekly for each of the coin. So kindly subscribe and learn about all the coins. Until then, take care and good luck on crypto.